Hi guys, for this recipe you need 6 cups of rice, and I am talking about the small measuring cup. We are using basmati for this recipe. You also need 2 medium-sized chopped onion. You need about 1 cup of vegetable oil, and you need about 2 packets of salted fish. It is skinless and boneless. As this fish is very salted, we soaked it in water for about 45 minutes, and it will reduce the salt a lot. So let's get started. In a pan, pour a cup of vegetable oil or any other oil type you like. When the oil is hot, add in your 2 chopped onion. Let them saute for about 2 minutes on a medium heat. Here our onions are ready and it is perfectly sauteed. The next step is to add in your salted fish, and I repeat it, this is skinless and boneless salted fish, and I believe it is cod fish. Now stir it and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes, again on a medium heat. The next step is to add your rice, so make sure you wash it first. And as I was saying, we are using basmati rice now, but you can also use the perfumed rice or the brown rice for more healthier diet. Don't forget to lower the heat. When you have added the rice, give it a little stir and let it to cook for about 3 minutes. You can now add water. We are first going to add about 600 milligrams of water and stir it, but some people like their rice very mushy and some don't. So we decided to add a little bit more of water, which is 200 milligrams of water to it, and then our rice will be not too mushy and not too hard. Now cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. Don't forget to give it another stir so that your rice doesn't burn. Now you need to cover your rice with a clean damp plastic bag, or if you don't have it you can always use foil, which is what I use, but Mr. Jury says this is far better and I totally agree with him. Now cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This rice will go well with some salad, so this is already packed salad to make things go quicker. We've also boiled 2 eggs, and we are going to add 1 can of sardines to it. You can also make it 2 if you prefer. For the sauces, we are going to use salad cream, a bit of mayonnaise, and some salt to taste. So in your bowl we already have the salad, so we're going to add a bit of salt, stir it, and then we are going to add our sardine in sunflower oil. If you want to discard the oil, please do it, but it gives more taste. Next, give it another stir and you can add your salad cream to it. Okay, so it's either you use salad cream or use mayonnaise, or you can use both. It really depends on you. Then give it a stir, but in this recipe today we are going to use a bit of both, right? So now we are adding our mayonnaise to it, and not too much mayonnaise. Well, it depends on everyone's preference. Now give it a good stir, and you can also add your boiled eggs. So as I said, we decided to boil only 2 eggs, but feel free to use more of it. And that's it. You can add a little bit more of salad cream just to garnish it. So now let's get back to our rice. So it has been cooking for about 15 minutes, and we are just going to check it and give it a nice little stir, and then we are going to cover it back with our white plastic bag just for a few more minutes, so for about 5 minutes. So next, just check if your rice is nice and fluffy. Now we are going to serve it. So we have our rice, we have our egg, and then we are going to add a bit of our fantastic quick salad, and last but not least, you can't eat Angwamo without your hot pepper. So this is homemade tomato hot pepper prepared by Mr. Dre. Actually, this is his first recipe and it was bomb. And secretly, I hope he shares his recipe because I haven't done it before. I can learn a lot from him. So that's it, guys. This is our wonderful salted fish oil rice or Angwamo with homemade tomato, hot pepper, salad, and you need to fry eggs with this recipe. So I hope everyone enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.